I've been testing the most powerful at-home laser device, and I'm going to show you a before and after, plus I'm going to do a little demonstration as well. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. Back in November, Tria got in touch with me and asked if I'd be interested in testing out their laser device. I have never had laser on my body before, so I was curious. I do have polycystic ovary syndrome, which means I do struggle with having excess hair. I am on medication to control it, but I still have a little bit more than what I would like. So before I get into all the details about what Tria is, what it claims to do, let's show you the before and afters. So back in November, I started treating just my chin area and a little bit around my mouth as well. Some people experience up to 75% hair reduction just after 2 treatments, which I thought was amazing. The average sort of guide is 6 treatments every other week. In between my treatments, I decided to have laser on my face. So I've been having that over the last 2 months, which meant that my laser hair removal treatment took a bit of a back step. So I did the 6 sessions and I was really shocked with the outcomes, especially seeing close-up photos and video, which I'm going to share with you now. Here's a close-up on my chin before starting the treatments, and you can clearly see some of those darker hairs coming through. I naturally have quite a lot of peach fuzz on my face, which I normally dermaplane, and laser can't treat that type of hair because it has no pigment. All of these photos and clips were taken yesterday after about a week and a half of growth with no dermaplaning, plucking or shaving since my last session. You can see the peach fuzz has grown back, but there are definitely fewer of those darker hairs. The ones that are coming through now look finer and lighter, which honestly surprised me. So I'm excited to see how the next couple of months go, and you never know, all those little black hairs might completely disappear. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it so far. So the Tria uses a diode laser. This is clinical grade laser technology. It's to give you permanent results with only occasional top-ups if need be. So it's able to really target the hair at the root without causing damage to the skin. So to get right in there at the hair follicle, whereas IPL spreads light across numerous wavelengths. So it's not as accurate and targeted as a diode laser. Laser energy is absorbed by melanin in the hair to target the follicle. Then the heat disables the follicle, causing the hair to fall out. The Tria device is also up to 233% more powerful than leading IPLs. Users can see up to 100% reduction in hair just after 8 treatments. The laser technology used is shown to be up to 90% more effective than IPL. So you might be noticing that my Tria device looks a little bit different to what it did in my last video, and that's because they've had a bit of an upgrade. It's just more safer, stronger with updated technology, and it has a thicker, stronger shell, improving thermal performance. It looks really lovely. It feels nicer to hold as well, and it's still not super heavy, really easy to use. I like the fact you've got this little grip handle there as well. Yeah, I think it's a really nice upgrade. If you're interested in purchasing a Tria laser device for yourself, Tria have kind of given me a code to share with you, which will entitle you to receive 10% off all their devices. You'll find a link to the Tria device and the Tria website and my code down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's see then what you'll receive in the box. Inside the box you get the Tria laser device itself, along with a quick guide showing which skin tones and hair colours it works best on. It's designed for fair to olive skin tones with darker hair like black or brown, as the laser needs pigment in the hair to target the follicle. You also get the charging cable and interchangeable plug adapters, which is really handy, plus the instruction booklet. Now let me show you a quick demonstration on how the device works. Okay, so I've just shaved my leg. I'm using a hydrating, calming, soothing gel. You apply this before you do laser, and then you apply it afterwards as well, and it's just nice and calming. It feels nice on the skin. It's enriched with cica and chamomile, and you can purchase this separately. So because I've been struggling with cellulitis on my other leg, I haven't got into a routine of doing my legs properly yet, but it's definitely something I want to do now that the other leg is healing. Turn the button on there, and then you can see a little flashy light at the bottom there. So this detects your skin tone. So if your skin tone is not recommended, then you won't be able to use this. So I'll show you what it does on my legs. Da, da, da. And that means it's opened up the little window there. So you can see it's on number 3. I'm going to go up to number 4. So I'll just press it once like that, but you can press again to go up to 5. Obviously 5 is the strongest level. But obviously once you get used to using the laser, then you're obviously going to move up, aren't you? So what I found from doing my legs previously is that it's all okay up the top here, but from my shin down, it's quite pinchy. So I'm just going to do the top half, and then I might go down then and do the bottom. You don't have to press any buttons. You just got to make a mental note of where you're going. You'll see the light flashing, and that indicates the area that it's covered, and then you just go down. This is what I do anyway. So let's start here. Can you hear the beep beep? That means that it's good and I can move on. Go down, down, down. If I'm not doing it properly, it will sound like a I'll just show you, hold on. Can you hear it? So that means I'm not doing it properly. And the reason it's doing that is because I'm not holding it long enough. Oh, I can feel it pinching. I went down a bit far then. Long press to turn it off. And there you go. A little bit more gel. My leg isn't red at all. It doesn't feel sore, but it's always nice to put a bit of gel on afterwards anyway. It's super quick and easy to use. So I'm definitely going to keep up with my leg, and once this other leg is properly healed, then I'll be doing that one as well. So my experience of using it so far is that the difference isn't dramatic yet, but it's on its way. And I'm hopeful that more and more hairs will be gone forever, hopefully. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.